Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful makeup. I love indie makeup and I love color stories that don't necessarily go together. And I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already, but if you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I enjoyed our small bit of time together. If you don't subscribe and you don't join us, then you aren't going to get to see my beautiful face every single time that I upload and all the cool things I do with my hair and how pretty I look. Did I already mention that? Maybe I did. I don't know. But yeah, don't I look really pretty today? I'm feeling myself. I feel so. It's probably the new hair, but you know. Anyways, yeah. Today is a Mish Mash Monday. So I take 2 palettes from my collection. I random number generate the shades, and then we make a look with them. Today's palettes are the Cosmic Beauty Cosmic Brushes Neutrals palette and the Beauty Bay Bright 2.0 palette. I had a bunch of fun doing this. I love the look that came out of it. This is this. So if you want to see how I ended up creating this look, do a little palette bingo with me, and then let's get into it. I've got new hair. It's super gorgeous. There's like some red and coppers in here. It's just, yeah, I love it. I love when I have like this sort of toned hair. It's some of my favorite. And I love when my hairstylist like just does curls. I can never do them like this, but I love them. I also have this like creme brulee latte here, but who cares, because it is our favorite day of the week. It is Mish Mash Monday. It is where I take 2 palettes from my collection that have opposite color stories. I random number generate 3 shades out of each palette, and then I create a look with them. So today's palettes are the Bright 2.0 palette from Beauty Bay, because I thought, let's get another use out of it. You know, let's really gung-ho on this one. So there's this. It's just a bunch of good rainbowness. And then I thought, why not put Nudetrals from Cosmic Beauty Cosmic Brushes with it? Because I feel like, you know, like they're pretty opposite here. There is some like a little bits of color in this one every now and again. But I don't know. I thought this would be kind of fun to mix together, do a little something. Whenever I do like a really rainbow heavy palette, I try to always pick one that's just a tad bit more neutral for whatever reason. But yeah, let's go pick our freaking shades and get this thing started. Also, I don't know if I'll be at 1K by the time that this goes up on Monday. I'm filming it on Friday. But if I have, just thank you guys so incredibly much. It means the absolute world to me that you guys are here and enjoying my content, and that there's that many of you. It means the world to me. This is just, I love doing this. I love getting to play with makeup and have you guys sit and watch me and enjoy me. It means the world to me. So thank you guys so much for being here. So there is 20 shades in the Neutrals palette. This is the one that we're going to start with here. So I have my little trusty random number generator from Google here. So one is that shade right there called Satin. Next, 13 is that shade right there called Tease. And last but not least for this palette, 11 is that shade right there called Glitz. There is 42 freaking eyeshadows in this bad bitch right here. Let's do this. 19 is that shade right there called Playground, that like neon, not neon, but like that shade right there. Next, 12 is that shade right there called Hawk. And last but not least, 33 is that shade right there called Heather. So this is the color story. I really like it. I like the vibe of it. I think it is super, super pretty. Yeah, I feel like this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be good. I like this. I'm excited for this. I can see some stuff. We got some bright, like some 2 bright colors here. We're gonna be fine. I've got this. I'm liking it. We're gonna be fine. Let's go through what is what. This side right here is the neutrals, and then this side right here is the brights. So this is Satin, Tease, Glitz, Playground, Hawk, and then Heather. Like I said, I'm super excited for this. I think this is gonna be a lot of fun. I've got like a little neutral with a little pop of color. I think it's gonna be a good time. I'm really excited for this. As always, all the products that I use and are mentioned in this video will be linked down below. They're not affiliate links. I hope one day, maybe, because, you know, My job doesn't pay the best. But maybe one day. But for right now, they are not. They are just there for you guys. You know, if you see something in my videos that you want to buy or just look at. To start, I'm going to prime my eyes with the REM Beauty Sweetener Concealer in Fair to Win, and then I'm going to set it with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Translucent Powder. Let me scooch again. So I don't fully have like a game plan here. I do know that I maybe want to use like this as like an inner corner highlight, just a little pop of color in there. Play with like all these like neutrals, and then we'll figure out something to do with the green at some point here. So I think I'm going to start by taking that Tease shade right there from the Neutrals palette. I'm going to use my Refer 14 here. And I'm going to take that and plop that into the crease right here. A little bit above everything, just, you know, starting here. I'm going to keep using that Refer 14, and I'm going to go in with that Hawk shade right there from the Beauty Bay 2.0 palette, the Brights 2.0. Taking a little bit of that and then bringing it right here, blending it into that tease. Again, like I said, just lightly blending it into tease. I think this is, it's so pretty, and these are working so beautifully together. They're blending so well together, but I'm not surprised because they both of these companies have really, really good formulas. It's just so stunning. Like, that is so pretty. It's so pretty. I think I might take a little bit more of that Hawk shade and bring it right in here just a little bit. Just bring it down into here, again up into here. Again, I know I already said this. If I've reached it by then, either way, if I've already reached it or if I'm just a couple away, the fact that like I'm close to or I'm at 1,000 is just, again, absolutely insane. When I started my channel, I didn't think that I'd reach this far. I feel like that about like a lot of things that I do, that I'm not going to reach the point that I want to get at, which is a horrible mindset, and we are going to be leaving that in the freaking past. Okay, we're leaving that. But I'm so blessed to have you guys enjoy me and to enjoy this as much as I do too. Like, this has helped me so much, being able to speak better. I've gotten to improve so much of myself from doing this, and it means the world to me that there's so many of you that enjoy this too. It's absolutely insane, and I can't thank you guys enough. So just thank you so much. I think I'm gonna go in with that Glitz shade right there from the Neutrals palette. I'm gonna go in with my Refer 21. This is my go-to shimmer brush. I say this in every single video that I use this, which is every single video. I love how this applies it, and the shimmers from Cosmic are insane. Like, look at that. I barely even put it on. Like, that's just incredible. They're buttery and they're pigmented. Like, it's just an insane combo, and I love it. But just taking that Glitz shade and plopping it out here, like, that's so gorgeous. I'm gonna go back in with my Refer 14 and just kind of blend these edges out, kind of just dilute them a little bit. This is kind of subtle for me. Okay, I'm thinking we go in with a little bit of that satin shade right there. Again, still using my Refer 21 and plopping that right in here. Blending it into that Glitz shade. Oh, like, that's just super pretty. I'm gonna blend that in a tad bit more together, but I'm just trying to get the pigment out of it. Like, I love having just like bright ass eyeshadow. So I'm just blending those two together here. That's such a gorgeous color combo though. I love it. Okay. Now it's what I want to do with the green and the purple. I'm kind of tempted to put like the purple in here, and then we can put like the green down here. You know, maybe we'll plop a little bit of the purple in there. We'll see how we're feeling, and then we will go from there. We're gonna take that heather shade right there from the Brights 2.0, and we're gonna plop that in here again using my Refer 21. We're just taking it into there. I think I'm gonna go over it with just a tad bit more of that like pink shade. Was that Satin? Is that what it was called? Mix it in a little bit, but just taking that heather shade into here. Like, that's super pretty. That's a vibe. I like that. I like that a lot, actually. And I think the green will look really cool with this. Like I said, going in with that satin shade from the Nudetrals and just kind of blending it in, applying it with the 21, and then going in with my finger. Like, that's super pretty. This is so neutral for me. I don't know how I feel about it. Here's my issue with it. This is the first look that I've done with this hair, and I kind of wanted to do more. But I can't really do a lot more with this color story, at least what I'm feeling, you know? But yeah, it does kind of, like, the tones are kind of fitting the hair, so we'll deal with it. We'll deal with it, and then... But like I said, I do like it. Okay, don't get me wrong. I do like this. I think this is super pretty. We might even do some like liner. Not like fun liner because like I can't do that. But maybe I won't. We'll see. I might. But I don't know. We'll see. We will see. But I am going to go do the rest of my face. I'm going to do some lashes. I'll come back for blush, highlight, lip details. We will do the under eye, the rest of the inner corner. Like I said, I really like this. I think this is like super pretty so far. It's a good start. It's a good start. We'll figure it out. Okay, so I may or may have not done my brows a different color. I used the Hawk shade. And I kind of love it. Like a lot, actually. So there's that. A couple details. I went in with this Unearthly Immortal liquid eyeliner in Love Struck. Here, the lashes kind of got rid of it. The lash tube kind of got rid of it, but you know, it's the thought that counts. Then I went in with this NYX liner stick in Pure White. I put it in there first, and I liked it, but then I was like, So then I put this LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in Gotcha on top, and I really do like it. I think when we put like the green down here, it'll really just pull it all together, and it'll be fine. For blush, I went in with that shade right there called Sticky Sweet from the Blend Bunny Juicy Cheeks palette. And then for highlight, I went in with the Blend Bunny Not Too Lucent one, and I went in with Far Out and a little bit of Phenomena here. I really like how it turned out. I'm doing things a tad bit more subtle from now, I guess. I don't know what came into me, but yeah, I've started like doing my blush and highlight not as drastic, and I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like a brand new person, so we'll see. But like I said, I did my brows with the Hawk shade. I really like it, actually. Like, I think like when I put my hair down, like it'll really just like pull it all together. But let's do the under eye. I think the only shade that we had left for that, like that we haven't used yet, is that Playground shade right there. So I'm gonna take that on my Refer 23 here, and I'm gonna bring it along there. So just taking it and bringing it right here, trying to keep it as close to, you know, my lash line as possible. This is a very springy look, and I love it. And then once I have that there, like, oh, I just really like that, like, a lot, Actually, do we bring a little bit of that heather in there in the inner corner a little bit, and we can maybe put a little bit of satin over that? I feel like that would work. So we'll go in with a little bit of that heather shade from the 2.0. I'm gonna go in with my Refer 03 here because I feel like this will be a good brush. Yes. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. So taking that brush still and going in with that satin shade from Nudetrals and just popping a little bit of that on over. Oof. Okay. I'm gonna figure out a lip and I'm gonna put on some mascara. So this is the finished look. I went in with a couple of things here for the lip. I went in with this Glamlite lip kit duo. I can't remember which one this one was. I will have it linked down below though. It's either the hot cocoa or the cinnamon, but I have both, but I used the darker one. I don't remember what it was. And then a little bit of this NYX, this is Milky Gloss and Milk the Cocoa. I love the lip. I might need to blend it out a little bit, but it like really matches like my hair a lot and I like really like it. This is a look. I love how this turned out. This eye look, you guys. Again, I say this in every video. If my lashes are not glued down, it's not my business, nor is it your business. It's fine. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I really do adore this. I think this turned out super gorgeous. I love how this looks. Yeah, this turned out so beautiful. I'm so happy with how this looks. I love Mish Mash Monday. Mish Mash Monday is like some of my like all-time most favorite videos to film. I love doing these, and like I said, I love that you guys enjoy these. It seems like you guys are really do, so just thank you so much for this. Yeah, I really like how this turned out. This is super pretty. There's a eyelash. What the hell? But yeah, I'm so happy with how this turned out. It's super pretty. Got a lot of good glow in here, and I love it. But if you made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for being here. It means the world to me. I've already said it multiple times, so I'm not going to go on a more longer rant about it. But yeah, I'm just so happy that you guys are here. I'm really, truly enjoying life right now. And yeah, I'm just a really, really happy camper. And I'm very, very happy right now. So just a couple things though before you go. Remember to not be a piece of shit. Don't be homophobic. Don't be transphobic. Don't be racist. It is 2025. Pull your head out of your ass. Do better. That's all I'm gonna say about it, because I shouldn't be having to say that and like call people out for that, because like, you know, like come on. We're whatever. And remember to be taking enough food, enough water, enough nutrients, to be taking, you know, like taking those self-care days, taking a shower, taking a bath, just taking those times for yourself to be doing things for you and not being such a people pleaser. And remember to be teaching your kids to wash your hands. I'm going to say that at the end of every video now too, because I'm sick of people not teaching their kids how to wash hands or to have manners. Fix your shit. Signed, a childcare worker. Pretty please. Again, if you made it to this point of the video though, oh my gosh. But again, if you made it to this point of the video though, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate having every single one of you here. Again, I just thank you guys so much. I love doing this, and I love you guys so much. Remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see a your cute face next time.